Have you ever gone into any supermarket or any grocery store and went to the produce section? There were some things that you needed, the basics, that just about everybody gets. Tomatoes, onions, potatoes, maybe a salad, some head lettuce, and maybe some fruits. So you go over to pick up some bananas, and you put a bunch of bananas in your shopping cart. You look over and you see all these weird fruits. You see these things called plantains. You're not quite sure what to think of them. They kind of look like a banana, but they do look a bit weird and shaped really strange. You place it in your cart. Continue walking and you see all these strange fruits that you're not even quite sure what to make of them. What are they even called? And most of them, you can't even pronounce the name of them. So you just pass them by. You see a couple of fruits and vegetables that you recognize the name. Starfruit, jicama, bonitos, and all these really strange named fruits and vegetables. You keep walking, and then you come across cilantro. You've heard of that before. People have used it for some of the foods they make. And then you say, hey, why not? You put it in your shopping cart. You keep shopping, looking around, trying to remember what it was that you needed to eat for at home. You never make a grocery list because you never really think of what you need until it's too late. And by then, you're already hungry or maybe you have to go to bed. We've got important things to do, so every time you get to the point to where you need to make a shopping list, you write one, and then every time you write a shopping list, you always forget it at home. So then you think, well, what's the point of writing one? I guess maybe just writing down what you need might help you try to remember it, but you're standing there confused of what to get. Can't even remember what to get. And because of this, you're thinking more. You start looking around. You see more strange fruits and vegetables. And then you look over and you see the plantains again. You think to yourself, what do you even do with those? Can you peel them and eat them? And then you look over, you put some potatoes in your cart, some onions, and you think to yourself, what am I going to make tonight? But you know you're hungry. You don't even know what to put in your cart. So you just start throwing random things in there. A bag of carrots, a bag of celery. And then you see what's called turnips. They're purple and white and they look really strange. They don't look like they would taste very good, but you go ahead and put some in your cart. And then you see some zucchini squash. Maybe that would be good for zucchini bread. You place that in your cart. And then you look over, you see the tomatoes. You pick up some tomatoes and you look at the salads, and then you see 100 different kinds of different varieties of different salads. It all seems so complicated and confusing. I mean, wouldn't you think that with head lettuce, some radishes, carrots, and maybe some red cabbage, that what else could you really add to make all these different salads? You look at one and it's got a different name than the other one, but it might only have one more thing in it. It might have extra cabbage, or maybe more carrots, but yet they give it a different name. And now you're really confused. You think back to the plantain. You look over and you see something called an eggplant. This weird looking oblong shaped purple thing that's supposed to be a vegetable, but looks like some kind of dinosaur egg. You pick it up, you put it in your cart, and by the time you get home, you've got all these really, really weird fruits and vegetables. You've no idea how to cook them. You didn't even look up online to see how you're supposed to prepare them or what to use them with, but you take the plantain, you peel it open, you take a bite. It has a very strange and bitter taste. And then you think to yourself, what have I gotten myself into? Maybe I should look up how I'm supposed to even eat these. So then you look online, and then you find out that for some really, really weird reason, you're supposed to cook a plantain. You're supposed to cook a banana. How strange is that? But you really think then, what have I really gotten myself into? Something as close as a plantain is to a banana. How weird is the eggplant and everything else? So, I guess that would be an example of one of my adventures of shopping at the produce section years back before I even knew what most of it was, and I think you've all had these moments. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.